Have you ever pondered how a structure from the 5th century BC still stands tall, bewitching us with its grandeur? Let's set our sights on the iconic Parthenon perched atop the Acropolis in Athens, Greece. Its architectural brilliance is a testament to the creative prowess of the ancient Greeks. The Doric columns, the intricate metopes, the stunning frieze, each detail is a marvel of design. Just like a mystery novel, every stone of the Parthenon has a story to tell. To imagine a structure so intricately designed that it defies the norms of straight lines. This is the Parthenon, a testament to the architectural mastery of ancient Greece. Perched high on the Athenian Acropolis, this monumental edifice is a symphony of optical refinements that bend reality to create an illusion of perfection. The Parthenon's stylobate, the platform on which the columns stand, is not flat as it appears, but subtly curved. This curvature, barely perceptible to the naked eye, counteracts optical illusions that would otherwise make the building look sagging. The columns, too, are not perfectly straight. They swell towards the middle in a feature known as Entasis, giving them an impression of strength and elegance. And behind these ingenious design choices were two visionary architects, Iktinos and Kallikratis. These men understood that beauty lies not in rigid perfection, but in subtle deviations from the norm. They saw the potential in bending straight lines, in tweaking symmetry, to achieve an aesthetic balance that was not only pleasing to the eye, but also a marvel of engineering. Their vision was to create a building that was not just a place of worship, but a testament to the power, glory, and sophistication of Athenian civilization. The Parthenon, an architectural marvel, was born out of the genius minds of Iktinos and Kallikratis. Their legacy stands tall, a beacon of human achievement that continues to inspire and captivate us centuries after its creation. Do you know why the Parthenon was built? It's not just an architectural marvel, it's a testament to the power and victory of a city that refused to bow down to its enemies. The Parthenon, this well-loved symbol of ancient Greece, was born out of a tumultuous past. It was a time when the city of Athens was caught in the throes of the Persian War, a war that threatened to obliterate the very essence of Greek civilization. But Athens was not a city to be easily defeated. It stood its ground, and in the end, emerged victorious. In the wake of this victory, the city wanted to establish a symbol, a beacon, that would forever remind its citizens of their resilience. And what better way to do this than to build a grand monument? A monument that would house the statue of Athena, the goddess of wisdom, courage, and warfare, the very traits that had led the city to its victory. The Parthenon was not merely a temple. It was a symbol of Athens' power, a reminder of its invincible spirit. The decision to construct the Parthenon was also a political move, a strategic chess play. It was a way for Athens to declare its supremacy, not just to the defeated Persians, but to the entire ancient world. The Parthenon was a statement, a bold declaration. Look at us, we are Athens, the unconquerable. As you delve into the history of the Parthenon, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, the whispers of a city that refused to surrender. Its walls narrate a tale of resilience, of a city that stood tall in the face of adversity. And it's this resilience that has seen the Parthenon survive through centuries, remaining a symbol of Athens' power and victory. The Parthenon, a beacon of victory, still stands, narrating the tale of Athens' glorious past. It's more than just a piece of architecture. It's a symbol of courage, a testament to the indomitable spirit of a city that refused to bow down and still refuses to be forgotten. How has the Parthenon survived the test of time? The Parthenon story is a tale of endurance, a testament to the timelessness of its design. Over centuries, it has weathered storms of all kinds, both literal and metaphorical. From its initial days as a temple dedicated to the goddess Athena, it has donned many hats. It became a church in the Byzantine era, then a mosque during the Ottoman reign, each transformation leaving an indelible mark on its architectural spirit. But the challenges didn't end there. The Parthenon has also survived the ravages of war, even enduring a catastrophic explosion when it was used as a gunpowder store in the 17th century. Each scar on its marble skin tells a tale of survival, a story of resilience against the onslaughts of time and human conflict. Against all odds, the Parthenon stands, a testament to the resilience of art and architecture. The Parthenon, an architectural marvel, a symbol of power and a tale of survival. This journey has unveiled its architectural brilliance, the power it symbolizes, and its enduring survival story. Next time you gaze upon the Parthenon, remember, you're not just looking at a structure, but a living testament to human ingenuity and resilience.